Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for Grammarly account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.grammarly.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage of Grammarly, click on the account button on the left hand side of the screen. Now, on the next page, click on the update button right next to password. Enter your current password associated with Grammarly account in the first text box, and on the next field, enter your new password that you'd like to use for your Grammarly account. After you are done, click update and you'll be able to change your Grammarly password. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.